This is Matt, and this is a quick video on how to close or delete a funnel in Kajabi. So funnels are, well, they're formerly known as pipelines. So this is how you'd actually delete one if you're just ready to actually close it completely. So we have the sidebar right here. We have marketing. You want to click on marketing and you want to click on funnels. So I'm right here on the funnels page. As you can see, you'll see all of your funnels listed right here, of which I currently have 5. So let's say this bottom one here, my webinar test one, let's say I want to actually delete this. So all you need to do is click on the 3 dots right here, the universal more symbol. And then they used to have a kind of archive set in here. So at the moment we've just got edit title, share and delete. So if in fact you want to delete a funnel, remove it, we would click on this delete button here. Now we get this warning, are you sure you want to delete this funnel? This action cannot be undone. So that funnel will now be non-functional. So if you've got any kind of automation set up, you've got any kind of opt-ins, sales pages, so on and so forth, that would render it completely inoperable. So we're going to click on delete. And just like that, we have successfully deleted the pipeline, aka the funnel. So that was a really quick video on how to delete or close a funnel on Kajabi. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.